What is up, YouTube? ThriftSchool over here. We got to drop off some Amazon FBA packages to UPS. Got to go to the post office. Then we're going to go thrifting, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Take a look at this. All right, we got 2 big boxes right here going off to Amazon, and I believe if we open up this door right here, we got another one going off to Amazon, as well as a front seat filled with little packages for eBay. So it is time to go. It is time to make that money. All right, guys, here we are outside the thrift store. This place is jam-packed. The cars go multiple rows back. Oh, I didn't have to park so far away. There was a spot right here. We got some people waiting out front. I don't know if there's any available carts, but we're gonna head inside anyways. Hopefully we find some stuff here. I got multiple thrift stores on this route, but depending on what we find, there might be multiple videos worth. Let's go. All right, guys, have you ever seen this many Xbox One games at a thrift store? I haven't gone through them, so we're about to find out what is in here. We have Lego Marvel Superheroes for $6. 2K17, not gonna be worth it. 2K18, all right, I bet you it's all sports titles. Yeah, oh, NHL 19, that's semi-new. And Just Dance. Some Just Dances hold value. I don't think that one does. Guitar Hero World Tour holds value though for $4. That's a snag. Final Fantasy Online. You know, I've never seen this, so I'll throw it in the cart. You never know. What else? We have Modern Warfare 2, Modern Warfare 3, World at War. Great game. I loved World at War growing up. Ace Combat 6? Maybe? I don't know though. Lord of the Rings. It's complete in there. Now, whenever I open these, I always get comments saying, hey, there's no disc. They keep the discs up front so nobody steals the games. But it is complete, so might be worth it, might not be, but I'll throw it in the cart. We'll look all this up in a little bit. I just like to throw things in the cart so I can go to more parts of the store faster. All right, nothing there. And I already looked through the Wii games and I grabbed a couple things. We got Dance Dance Revolution and Harry Potter. I don't know if they're worth it, but they might be. Again, we'll look everything up soon. Now we got a whole bunch. What is this? It's a huge DVD set for $5. This might be worth it. Mission Impossible TV show. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to start scanning through all of this stuff. Hopefully we find something. Some more of that Mission Impossible. All right, let's start scanning. All right, guys, so they have a lot of board games here, and what I normally do is just go down and find all the brand new sealed ones. We did find this one right here, right off the rip. $5, selling for about $25, so that wasn't bad. But I'm gonna spend the time today to actually scan up pretty much all the ones that have barcodes, because they'll be on Amazon. And even if they're used and I can make at least $20 profit, I'm gonna grab them, throw them in the cart so we could see, and then we'll count up pieces and see if it's actually worth it to count up all these pieces. I have no idea. I have no idea how many of these could be complete. So we're gonna start scanning. I think we're gonna start with this Stratego Civil War. Whoa. Stratego normally doesn't have too many pieces, which is really nice. 40 and 40, so 80 pieces total, and they're these small little things, so super easy. I'll show you how I look it up. Pull out my phone, open up the Amazon seller app, open up the barcode scanner, and away we go. And there's only one available for $150 new. I can also sell it in used. So since there's only one, it's hard to get a gauge. So what we're gonna do is pull up the eBay app and then pull up their barcode scanner. And let's see, looks like about 30 to 40. Let's check solds. All right, here's some solds. 25, 20, 60 brand new, 30, 35. So it depends. If they're asking like 99 cents to $1 for this, it could definitely, or to $2, yeah. It's $2, except every color today is 50% off besides red. So these games that are blue are 50% off, I believe, actually. That's kind of interesting. I wonder if there's caveats to this, but we'll find out soon. So I'm gonna start scanning. So I've made it about halfway through the aisle, and this one surprised me right here. So I did end up finding Another brand new sealed item right here. This little fairy toy selling for $3 here, selling for about $22, $23 on Amazon. Not bad. I also found a Shining board game. It's used, it's $2 here, but it's selling for about $35 on Amazon. But this one surprised me. It's called Gotcha. Didn't look like it would really be worth much. It's only 99 cents. Don't know if all the pieces are in here, but take a look at this. Brand new, selling for $52, used selling for $36. If all the pieces are in there, I'll be making about $24 profit. So not bad. I'll definitely take it, and we still got lots to go. All right, guys, you can see we have loaded up the cart. This thing is completely packed. Some things are brand new sealed, which are great. This is the huge score, this brand new sealed Trivial Pursuit Lord of the Rings. $6 actually, selling for about $100, so that's awesome. We got some brand new Legos, but a lot of the stuff's used. I also found a GameCube game, which was kind of funny to find on the shelf. A Pac-Man versus Pac-Man World 2. It was just sitting right up here, and I was like, what? You gotta be kidding me. Video games on the shelf? I'll take it. So why not? Looking good, looking good. All right, so we got the full cart next to the electronics over here. And I thought maybe I saw something cool with this blue Wii. It's missing all the cords, 20 bucks. So, still looking around. There's some 360s. They're 40 bucks. Missing all the cords, no controller. Not gonna be worth it. So I don't think the electronics are panning out today at all. Lava lamp's kind of cool though. All right, here is the little sporting goods section. We got a bunch of bats, some footballs down here. This one's kind of cool. There is a Wilson for $2 with the Yingling logo on it. Yingling beer. We have a little Harlem Wizards. Patriots kind of just soft thing. Here's a really cool Steelers ball. Oh, it's fully inflated too. This thing's pretty sweet. This has got to be old school. Good Stuff Company. Wow, if I was a Steelers fan for $2, I mean, this might be worth it to pick up for eBay. Maybe $20 or so. I'm gonna look into it a little bit. Stick it in here for now, same with the Yingling. And what do we have in here? This is a Tigers, University of UA. I don't know what that is. UA Tigers. Alabama? Auburn? I don't know. I think that's about it for cool footballs in here. Some old wooden ski poles, but nothing else, I don't think. A couple CD players. They could be good if they're Sony Walkmans, but that's not. Some walkie-talkies. Those could also be good, but they don't look like anything special. Yeah, I'll look up the footballs real quick. So I just looked it up, and there's some listed for $10 plus a couple of bucks shipping, so not really worth it. I'm gonna leave it behind. One thing I didn't look through is any of this plush. There could be some cool hidden plush in here. Let's actually take a look together. We have the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. That's a pretty cool plush. It looks old school too. It's got some gross staining on the mouth though. I wonder if I could see what year it is. Oh wow, it actually says, I know you guys can't really see that, but it says Disneyland on there. Wow, that's an old school plush. I might look that up. Could be worth it to try and clean it. Let's look that up real quick. So it's not worth that much, about 10, 15 bucks. So we'll leave it, it's not worth cleaning it, but there's a lot of plush down here. You got all the plush, and then you have, there's some toys and stuff down there. So we'll definitely have to check all that out because there's a lot to look through. So looking through all these toys right here, I saw this little thing hidden down here. It's $30 though. I was hoping it'd be $5. So we got a little Pokemon tin here. I don't think they're old, but this thing is completely packed. I wonder what, this is from 2016, so hopefully the cards are 2016 and older. Should we, let's try and rip this tape off and take a quick look in here. I don't know anything about Pokemon cards. Alright, so we're taking more laps around the store. My cart is super full. I can't really fit too much more in here. I'm gonna have to reorganize because look at all that empty used space right there. I'm just looking, what is that, platform number 2? Is that from Harry Potter? No, isn't that, is that like 93 1/3 or something? I don't know, I've never, I saw it, but a long time ago. We're just gonna keep looking, see if we could scoop up anything else in here. I might even go check out the clothes for you guys, because I never do. That could be fun. One of the very first things I specialized in selling was snow globes, and I found one right here. I see a Heinz ketchup thing, which made me think it was Pittsburgh because Heinz Field used to be the Steelers Field in Pittsburgh, and I flipped it over and look at that, Pittsburgh, Sox 5th Avenue is what it says right there. So it's $10 though. I'm still gonna look it up, see if these things still hold value. So they do still hold value. You can see $45 plus 12 shipping. That one only sold for 25 plus, well, 20 shipping, 35 plus 20 shipping, 55. And those are all the solds. And then if I go to what's listed right now, $60 plus 15 shipping is the only one listed, and it's missing some water. It's a little foggy. So I'm definitely gonna snag this for 10 bucks. It's in really good shape too. All right, so I'm going on the ladies' clothes aisle because they have random things up top here. And I saw this Tom Seaver for the Mets. Flip it around, it's a little statue replica. I looked it up, and take a look at this. 50 bucks, 60 bucks, 60, 60, and it is only $8. So yeah, we're grabbing that. Stick it in our overflowing cart. So I just double checked, and everything in the store that's yellow, white, and blue tags are 50% off. So a bunch of those video games I grabbed were 50% off. A bunch of these games, this thing is $6, so it's only $3. So that's pretty nice. That actually helps a lot. Some of these games that I got in here are $1 to $3 and they're blue tags. So I might not even count the pieces until I get home because I'm only spending about 50 cents to $1 on a few of these. A lot of the sealed ones are the red tags, so I'm not even worried about that. All right, guys, I just cut this open, the Pokemon cards. You can see I even grabbed some ties. I grabbed all these Vineyard Vines ties for between $2 and $3 each. Figured that could be a good bundler, why not? They sell on average, you know, about 20 bucks a pop. So I'm trying to get this open. Let me try and pull it, pry it open. Come on. All right, there we go. Let's see what kind of cards are in here. Ooh, rough condition. Super rough condition. Oh my gosh, they're all like water damaged and lots of energies. Ooh, that's a holographic Pikachu though. That one's in really good shape from 2013. Doubt it's worth anything, but I'm gonna start digging through here, pull out like all the holographics I see. All right, so I just went through all of these cards here. None of these are holographic, and if they are like either ripped up or really bent. These are the ones that are holographic. I don't know if there's anything good in here. You have some basic looking ones right here, but then you get into some of the cooler looking cards very soon. Again, I don't know much. I know Aerodactyl, Rayquaza EX. I'm pretty sure that's a good one, I think. I've heard of him before. Incineroar GX. We have a Deflox Break, not sure what that means. Machop, I know Machop. But there's some cool ones in here. This one has like it feels different. I don't know. Metal X, Arcane. But for $30, is this worth it? There's just a whole bunch of basic ones in here. I don't think anything too crazy. Yeah, what would you guys do for $30? Would you buy this? So I looked these few up real quick. This one sells for about $5. Same with this Rayquaza. This is about $3 or $4, and that's about $3. So right here we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bucks. But these are pretty much, I think, the only valuable ones out of this entire thing. So to spend 30 for 16 just doesn't seem worth it. I could be missing something here. Let me know if I made a mistake, but I'm putting it back. All right, guys, cart is full. I'm gonna count the pieces at home. I'm just gonna buy whatever's in here and hope we made the right decision. Let's go. All right, so we're just leaving the thrift, walking down to my car all the way at the end. Got my receipt right here. I spent a grand total of, what does that say? $142.19. $142.19, not too bad. Lots of stuff, a lot of it was half off. If you really think about it, I think just that Lord of the Rings game will make me about 100. Well, it sells for about 100. It'll make me about 80, but that's half the money back right there. So lots of potential inside of this cart. Super stoked about it. Time to throw it all in the back of the car. All right, we got everything in the trunk. I know I didn't show everything off. I did end up finding this cool little thing. It's from the movie Up, the Disney movie Up. It's a faux planter type thing, and the box is damaged, but I only paid $2 for it, and without the box it's selling for about $20 on eBay, so that's pretty sweet. All these ties you could see, got some golfing ones, some ones with little dogs on them, more dogs. Pretty sweet there, pretty cheap. We got an original, well not original, but an old school Hungry Hungry Hippos from the year 2000. Lots of cool things in here. I'm super happy with this haul. These Voice Master chess games I've sold a bunch of times on eBay, not on Amazon, and this was only $3, and the last one I sold was probably 6 months ago or so. Sold it for like $40, so good money there. Hopefully all the pieces are in here. We won't know about that till later, but a good amount of things I got are brand new, sealed, 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 sealed. All good things. Time to go put the cart back and head out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. ThriftSchool signing out. See ya.